Stormproof matches.
A while back, a YouTube friend and peer of mine, Intense Angler, challenged me to remix one of his videos. Having developed an infatuation with matches back in 1987 with the movie Monster Squad,
Hey, Rudy. EJ.
coming across this one, how could I resist?
It's always important to have a good, reliable way of starting a fire.
All credit where credit is due to Chris from Sierra Trading Post for this little slice of brilliance. And your new favorite knife from our last video. Let's start by making matchsticks. As you can probably see, this is fatwood, which is going to help for the burning potential of your matchsticks. And given that all of this is fatwood shavings, it's a bit of a valuable resource for a fire kit. So we're going to take all of that and we're just going to throw it into this container we have with this burl pitch that we've previously collected. And this will go well for starting fires as a little tinder bundle to accent your bird's nest when starting a fire. Now that you got your matchsticks shaped and cut down, you're going to want to take a store-bought matchstick, grasp the sulfur tip gently in your pliers, and just roll off that little bit of sulfur. And you're going to do this multiple times with multiple store-bought matchsticks, collecting just the sulfur heads. Over time, you're going to end up with this, which you'll be reducing to powder in this next step. Now that you've got all your match heads separated, you're going to take a pestle and grind up all your match heads into a fine powder. If you don't have a pestle, you can use any container with a cap on it. Then you're going to want to add some water to your powdered match heads. Just start off with a little bit. You take one of your pre-prepped match heads and start mixing it up until you've got a nice thick slurry. And then you want to roll your matchsticks you've created and shaved down in the slurry and just put aside to dry. 24 hours later, you've got yourself your homemade
Stormproof matches.
Given that you've used fatwood with your matchsticks, the resin within the fatwood will help to aid as a good fire starting tinder. And if you enjoyed this video as much as we did, you're going to want to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.
They don't like us. They don't like us. They ain't gotta like us.